Hello everyone! Today we are making some super easy and delicious homemade snacks using simple ingredients with no fuss. Let's start with chopping off the ends of the ivy gourd and cut it into 4 pieces. Sliced ivy gourd 150 grams, half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 sachet of Maggi magic masala.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
And now we'll add coriander powder, cumin powder, corn flour, all-purpose flour, salt, turmeric powder, and Maggi masala magic. Now we'll add water little by little using a half cup measure. Stirring after each addition until the desired consistency is reached. Next, heat oil for deep fry. Carefully place each piece into the hot oil one at a time and also taking care to avoid splashing. We'll fry on medium flame till it's golden. And our delicious ivy gourd snacks is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!